Chase Freedom, Unlimited Business Plus pricing explained what you get for your money. If your business prefers straightforward cash back without worrying about rotating categories, the Chase Freedom, Unlimited Business Plus card offers simplicity and value. Most people get this wrong. They underestimate how powerful unlimited cash back can be for consistent spending. The card earns 1.5% cash back on every purchase with no caps or category restrictions. For business spending, zero annually on office supplies, travel, and general expenses, that's back every year automatically deposited into your Chase account. Additional benefits include purchase protection, extended warranty coverage, and employee cards for tracking business expenses. The card has no annual fee, which means every dollar spent goes directly toward rewards. Combined with Chase's online tools, tracking and redeeming cash back is seamless. The simplicity of unlimited 1.5% cash back makes it ideal for businesses with varied spending or those that prefer a set it and forget it approach to rewards. Unlike cards with bonus categories, you don't need to adjust spending patterns to maximize value. In conclusion, the Chase Freedom Unlimited Business Plus card is a practical, flexible choice for businesses seeking steady, reliable cash back rewards. With no annual fee, straightforward earning, and employee tracking options, it turns everyday spending into consistent savings for your company.